You're parked beside a quiet mountain lake. The sun is just starting to rise. There's steam coming off your coffee cup, and the world feels calm. No hotel check-in, no crowded airports, no schedule. Just you, the open road, and a perfectly designed travel van that feels more like a private luxury apartment on wheels. This is not just a motorhome. This is not just a van. This is the 1990 Airstream Atlas 24MS. A travel machine built for people who don't just drive, they live on the road. Today we're taking a deep and relaxed walk through one of the most iconic luxury travel vans ever made. We'll explore how it looks, how it feels inside, and why, even decades later, it still feels ahead of its time. And by the end of this video, I want you to imagine one thing. Would you live in this? The first thing you notice about the 1990 Airstream Atlas 24MS is its presence. It doesn't scream for attention. It doesn't need to. The clean, smooth body lines give it a timeless look. This is classic Airstream design, simple, confident, and purposeful. The silver finish reflects the sky, the trees, and the road around it, and wherever you park, it feels like it belongs. The size feels just right. Not too big, not too small. At just over 24 feet long, it's easy to drive, easy to park, and still spacious enough to feel comfortable for long journeys. Large side windows let natural light pour inside, and when you're parked somewhere beautiful, those windows turn into moving picture frames. This van was designed for travelers who want freedom without giving up style. Now let's step inside, because this is where the Atlas truly surprises you. The moment you enter, you feel warmth. Not just from the colors, but from the atmosphere. Soft wood finishes, clean lines, and a layout that feels open instead of crowded. Everything inside has a purpose. The seating area feels comfortable and inviting. Plush cushions, supportive backs, and just enough space to stretch out after a long drive. This is where mornings start with coffee and nights end with quiet conversations. The lighting is soft and carefully placed, creating a calm and relaxing mood. It doesn't feel like a vehicle. It feels like home. And that's exactly what Airstream wanted. As you move further inside, you reach the kitchen area. It's compact, but very smartly designed. You get a clean countertop with enough space to prepare meals comfortably, a built-in stove for cooking on the road, and storage cabinets for your essentials. Everything is within arm's reach, and nothing feels wasted. This kitchen isn't trying to impress you with flashy design. It's built for real life. Whether you're making breakfast before a long drive or cooking dinner while parked under the stars, it gets the job done, and it does it well. Right next to the kitchen is the dining and living space, and this area is all about flexibility. During the day, it's a place to eat, work, relax, or plan your next destination. At night, it easily transforms to fit your needs. The table feels solid and stable, perfect for meals or even working on the road, and the seating layout naturally encourages conversation. This is where memories are made. Laughing, planning routes, watching the rain hit the windows while you stay warm and comfortable inside. It's simple comfort, done right. Now, let's talk about the sleeping area, because after a long day on the road, rest matters. The bed in the Atlas 24MS is designed for real sleep, not just short naps. It's wide, supportive, and positioned in a way that feels private. There's enough headroom to sit up comfortably, with storage nearby for personal items. At night, with the lights dimmed and the outside world quiet, this space feels peaceful. You're not sleeping in a van. You're sleeping in your own mobile retreat. The bathroom area continues that smart design approach. It's compact, but fully functional. You get a clean toilet, a sink, and a shower setup designed to save space without feeling uncomfortable. Everything is easy to clean, properly sealed, and built for long-term use. For travelers who value independence, this is a big deal. No constant stops, no relying on outside facilities. You're self-contained, and that's real freedom. Storage is another area where Airstream truly shines. Overhead cabinets, hidden compartments, and well-placed storage spaces allow you to carry everything you need without clutter. Clothes, food, travel gear, everything has its place. This van was built for people who travel not just for weekends, but for weeks or even months at a time. On the road, the Atlas 24 MS feels surprisingly easy to drive. The steering feels stable, the ride feels smooth, and visibility is excellent. You sit high enough to see the road clearly, which adds confidence, especially on long journeys. This is a van you can drive all day and still feel relaxed when you arrive. So what makes the 1990 Airstream Atlas 24 MS so special even today? The answer is simple. It was built with intention. It wasn't designed to chase trends. It was designed to last. The materials, the layout, the overall feeling, everything focuses on comfort, freedom, and lifestyle. Even today, many modern vans try to recreate what Airstream achieved decades ago, and that says everything. Now I want to hear from you. Would you live in the 1990 Airstream Atlas 24 MS full-time, or would you use it for long road trips and weekend escapes? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. The 1990 Airstream Atlas 24 MS is more than a travel van. It's a mindset. It's about slowing down, choosing the road less traveled, and waking up somewhere new whenever you want. It reminds us that luxury isn't about size or speed. It's about freedom. If you enjoyed this deep dive into classic travel lifestyle, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more motorhome and road living content, and share this with someone who dreams of life on the open road. Until next time, drive safe, travel far, and live free.